Good morning, ma'am. Ito po yung walkthrough ng application ko. So, pag clinic natin yung icon, ito yung unang lalabas. And then, pwede natin ipindutin yung get started. So, meron siyang welcome caption. And then, get started. So, you have two options kung magla-launch tayo ng gallery or magte-take ng picture. So, itong view result, hindi pa siya makiklik hanggat hindi tayo nagla-launch ng image from gallery or magte-take ng picture. So, try muna natin mag-take ng picture. Yan. Tapos, magpipicture tayo. Okay. So, i-click lang natin yung okay. Tapos, mag-show na siya ng result. So, ayun yung result niya, confidence result with classified disease ng rice. Tapos, view result, doon naman makikita yung different disease percentage, and then yung mismong nakuha natin kanina na Bacania, which is 98.8%. So, pag binak natin, launch naman tayo ng gallery. So, kailangan muna natin mag-take mismo ng picture. So, click lang natin to take a picture. So, meron ditong different menus. So, try natin is yung capture. Yan. Ito yung isa pang features niya na pwede ka mag-take ng picture. So, try naman natin this one. Oh, malaglag ako. Shoot ka. Ay, nagbibideo pati ako. Loko ka. Sorry po. Tinulak ako ni Dean 7 Martinez. So, okay lang natin siya. Tapos, so, nag-save na yun sa gallery natin. Yung image na yun. Ngayon, babalik tayo dun sa launch gallery, which is yung kanina. So, pwede natin itong pindutin para magbalik tayo dito. Tapos, launch gallery. So, open lang yung gallery. Okay. Yan. Tapos, ito yung picture natin kanina. So, pindutin lang natin siya. So, yan. Mag-show na siya ng result, which is nakakuha siya ng Bacania, 100%. Okay. So, yan yung result. Try natin ng isa pa. If same result siya. Okay. So, click natin. Okay lang. Yan. So, twice natin pinicturean yung isa is from gallery. Nakakuha siya ng Bacania na 100%. Tapos, trinay natin na gamitin yung mismong camera feature. So, nakakuha pa rin siya ng Bacania na result na 100%. So, other features niya is itong rice disease info, which is meron dito mga list of diseases at 23 diseases with 1 healthy lips sample. So, pwede mo siyang i-click. So, bale, makikita yung monitoring and treatment, culture control and management, and then other picture nung leaf. So, ito naman yung isa is na try na natin yung capture. Yung sa facts naman, is ito yung frequently asked questions dun sa all about rices. And then, another feature is abouts, which is yung requirements ng mismong system. Ayan. Meron din siyang developers info. Ayan. Tapos, and last is yung classify via capture and upload image, which is yung unang part. Ayan. So, yun po yung walkthrough. Thank you po, ma'am. Have a nice day.